I'm going to show you how to change the DNS setting on your Android phone, and we're going to do this on two different phones, since different phones have the setting in a slightly different place. Let's look at my Pixel phone first. To access my DNS settings, I'll go to my Network and Internet settings. There, down the list, you'll see an option for Private DNS. Tap that, and we can change the DNS setting. Here, you'll see three options. Off, which will use your ISP's default DNS. The automatic setting uses the encrypted DNS provided by your network, if available. And the private DNS provider hostname is the one you'd use if you want to use a custom DNS. Android requires you to type the hostname in text format, not just a string of numbers. A popular private DNS provider could be, for example, Google, which is good for speed and reliability. I'll type dns.google and then hit save, and I'm all done. If you're on a Samsung phone, you'll find this under Settings, Connections, and from there, you'll tap More Connection Settings. That's where you'll have your private DNS menu with the same options I showed earlier. On my Samsung phone, I have the AdGuard DNS set up here, which is great because it'll filter out many mobile web ads without needing a separate app. Anyways, that's how you change the DNS settings on Android. Click the like button if this helped and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.